This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. I wanted to get on here and record a message. I know this will be a little bit strange because it won't be a current update, but I wanted to, for those that don't know me, I'm Emily Robbins with Virginia Asset Group, and I know that 2020 certainly has been an interesting year. I wanted to bring some updates on the investment accounts, and again, with all the craziness, hopefully this message comes to you guys with some good news, at least at the end of November. Currently, the breakdown of the balances are as such for the VNLA Association and the Research Foundation accounts. The VNLA account, which we refer to as the Rainy Day Fund, is sitting at $424,749. The Research Foundation, the main account, is at $770,158. The C.W. Bryant Scholarship Fund is at $67,120. The Laird Gresham Scholarship Fund is at $79,466, and the Hugh Smith Scholarship Fund is at $270,374. Year to date, the portfolio is up just over 6.4%, and since we have been working with the accounts since the beginning of January of 2019, the portfolio itself is up over 9%. We are continuing to review and make sure the allocation meets the needs of the organization as well as the Research Foundation, and aligning that with current market conditions. I did want to give an update on the market given the craziness of this year. Although we have seen a strong comeback in the market, as we know the economy is still struggling with high unemployment and the virus is surging. The market is not the economy. The economy certainly affects the market. As a note, GDP measures current economic activity while the stock market is forward-looking. The bounce backs that we have seen suggest investors believe the pandemic will be controlled in the not too distant future. With at this point, three possible vaccines, this does seem to be driving the recent positivity in the market. There are a couple items that give support to market optimism. I just wanted to go through those as, sometimes that can be a little alarming or strange. One is economic stimulus. At this point, we do not have another round, although it's being talked about. And that could weigh heavily on what happens with the market in the coming weeks as we finish out 2020. It's also an extremely low interest rate environment. The Fed has committed at this point to keeping rates low for at least the next 2 years, possibly beyond that. And we have, it's recently been a little bit of a pullback. We do have tech stocks that are leading the way and certainly have brought optimism to the market. I'm not saying the optimism should or shouldn't be present in the current market. Keep in mind, these are extraordinary times and traditional expectations and measures may not tell the whole story. So please keep that in mind. If we can take one thing away from this crazy year and the extreme volatility and rapid moving market cycles, we have illustrated the importance of maintaining a diversified portfolio. We have stayed committed to that with the investment policy that was created as we started working with the organization. And at this point, I do think we are on the right track with that. I'm always happy to answer any questions, and I can be reached if anyone would like to talk further, whether it's about allocation or how the funds are set up. I can be reached at my office phone number, which is 757-747-2556, or my email address, which is erobbins@virginiaassetgroup.com. I really miss seeing you guys in person this year. I have enjoyed MANTS for the last 2 years and the association meeting and board meeting that go along with it. And hopefully we will be able to be back in person for MANTS in 2022. Again, any questions or concerns, I'm happy to address them, happy to answer any questions for you all, and hopefully everyone is staying safe, and we will talk soon. Thank you.